Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the B flat minor chord on the keyboard. First we locate the root note, the B flat. Place your first finger there. The next note we'll need is the D flat. Place your third finger there. The last note we'll need is the note F. Place your fifth finger there. The B flat minor chord. Now, because the B flat minor chord is in fact a 3-note chord, a triad, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because it has the root note at the bottom of the chord. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the B flat, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called the B flat minor first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord, the D flat, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called B flat minor second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the note F to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher. Okay? Now to go the other way, downwards on the piano, simply move the top note to the bottom, move your hand. This is the second inversion. Move the top note to the bottom. This is the first inversion, and again move the top note to the bottom. This is the root inversion. Let's do it one more time. Root, bottom note to the top. First inversion, bottom note to the top. Second inversion, bottom note to the top. Root inversion. And the other way, root inversion, top note to the bottom. Second inversion, top note to the bottom. First inversion, top note to the bottom. Root inversion. Okay? To practice these inversions, simply play like this. Root, first, second, and root, root, second, first, and root. And you can also practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the B flat minor chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.